From Phnom Penh to Kansas, 2 universities, 1 vision, empowering teachers to innovate their teaching and learning in international classrooms. The PGCE International is a 250-hour teacher education program for educators across Cambodia and ASEAN. Learn through dynamic face-to-face seminars, practicum mentoring, and hands-on classroom experimentation, all designed to elevate your teaching practice. The PGCE International is designed to meet teachers where they are and take them further. It blends the best of global pedagogical research with the realities of Cambodia's international classrooms. We want to equip you with confidence, creativity, and inclusive practices.
The program blends AUPP's deep understanding of local educational context with FHSU's century-long expertise in K-12 pedagogy and teacher preparation. Through 5 dynamic courses, you'll engage in hands-on, practice-based learning directly connected to your everyday classroom work. Each module encourages you to apply theory through action research, reflective practice, and classroom-based projects, building skills that immediately enhance teaching effectiveness. Together, these courses will equip you with the tools to design meaningful learning experiences, manage diverse classrooms, contribute to continuous improvement in your school, and most important of all, to allow you to better serve your students.
Graduates leave with advanced pedagogical skills, strong understanding of rationales behind what they do in the classroom, and the capacity to connect across cultures, making a lasting impact wherever they teach.
Transform your teaching, inspire your students. Apply for the PGCE International through AUPP and Fort Hays State University. Elevate your teaching, expand your horizons.
AUPP. Study locally, live globally. Apply to AUPP today.